We'll guide you through how to fix screen share audio not working on Discord. This can be really frustrating when you're trying to stream your screen, but there's no sound coming through. Don't worry, we'll go through several fixes step by step. Make sure to follow the full guide and don't skip anything, as one of these methods should solve the issue. Let's get started. First, if you're currently sharing your screen, go ahead and stop the stream. Now, click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner. From the left-hand side, scroll down and select Voice and Video under App Settings. Scroll down until you find the Streaming section, then click on Advanced Stream Settings. Here, try turning off stream attenuation. Next, find Use Advanced Technology to capture your screen. If it's turned on, turn it off. If it's off, turn it on. Basically, toggle this setting and test which option works for you. Now go back and rejoin your call or channel. Start screen sharing again by clicking the Share Screen button. Choose what you want to share. Before going live, make sure Share System Audio is turned on. Once your stream has started, you can also click on Stream Settings and double-check that audio sharing is enabled. If someone still can't hear your stream, ask them to right-click your stream and increase the volume slider, as it might be turned down on their side. If the issue still isn't fixed, go back to User Settings. Scroll down again to Voice and Video. Then scroll all the way down and click on Reset Voice Settings. Wait for it to complete, then try streaming again. As a final step, restart your computer to refresh everything. And that's it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.